Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here in TKMaths is Fun. In today's video, we will move on to the general form of the equation of a straight line. In the last video, the links you can find in the description. This is video number 4, by the way. We have already seen about the horizontal and vertical lines, right? And the equation of those lines. What are they called? Because each line has a name, which we call equation. So we have seen this. Now we are coming to the lines which are slant. So general form of the equation of a line is y is equals to mx plus c. Now what is this y, m, x and c? We will see that. Okay. In the previous video we have seen only y equals to number. Suppose y equals to 7 or x is equals to number. X is equals to 3 for example. But what about this? Because you have seen equations like this. Y is equals to 3x plus 1. Y is equals to minus 3x plus 1. It could be anything. So what is the meaning of these? We will see now. Okay. So first of all, try to understand y and x are representing the coordinates here. For example, if I take this line and I take this point. So what is x coordinate? 6. And y coordinate on this? 6. So this x and y is actually represent any point on the line, because this line has so many points, tick 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 tick, so many points. Some you can read easily, some you cannot, but that is not the point here. The point here is that x and y is representing any point on the line. What is m? M in mathematics is representing the gradient of the line. The gradient means slope. In layman language, the language which everyone understands, it means the slope of the line. But in mathematics, we do not use the word slope. We use the word gradient. Okay. And it is usually represented by the letter small m. Because the letter capital M has a different meaning. We will study it later. So right now you have to remember that when line is written like this, the number written with the x-axis, when y coefficient is 1, then this number here represents the gradient of the line. We will see. And this c represent y-intercept. So for example, if this red line, I ask you, what is my y-intercept? You will just look at the y-axis. You will say the y-intercept is 4. Gradient you cannot tell right now because I have not taught you as yet. But y-intercept you can immediately tell me just looking at the line, where is it passing through the x-axis, right? Now, in the red line, green line, if I ask you, what is the y-intercept? You will see the y-axis where the line is passing through the y-axis. You will say 2, it means this place is for 2 for green line and this place is for 4 for red line. So in this one, if I ask you, what is my y-intercept? You will say 1. It means when you will draw the line, it will pass through 1 on the y-axis. Now, steepness of the line, it will be like this, like this, like this. Depends on the number here. I will show you in a minute. Similarly, if I ask you, what is the y-intercept in this one? You will say 1 straight away. But very, very, very important thing, the number should be here 1. Okay, otherwise you can't say this is your y-intercept. Extremely important. We will see the cases when with y it is some other number. For example, 6 is here. That we will see little later. Right now we are starting this topic, so we will keep simple things. Okay. Achha, by the way, how many of you have seen the graphical calculator or expression Desmos? Have you seen it? Right? Okay, I will show you in my video. Let me just finish this. If it will not get longer, otherwise in next video I will show you how to use this, and we will see the impact of changing these numbers on the line. Okay, what happened to the direction of the line if these numbers are changed? Right? It is a good way to learn or to remember or to understand the concept as well. Okay, so if you want to try this out right now, you can, but I will teach you in the next video. So we have seen here any equation which is given in this form like this tells us y-intercept, this tells us gradient or the slope of the line, and this is my y is equal, so it has to be 1 here. Okay, so now in this question, if I ask you what is the y-intercept in the following graph, can you tell me quickly? Part A, B, C. Absolutely right. In part A, the y-axis, the line is passing through 4. In this case, 5. In this case, 0. So if you have to answer the y-intercept in in graph A, you will say y-intercept is at 4. Like this you will reply. And if you have to write in the form of point, how will you write? Remember we learned previously? Absolutely right. What about part B? The intercept is at 5, and in the point form it will be written as 0, 5. In C, the y-intercept is happening at 0, and what is the point there? 0, 0. Absolutely right. So now we will end the video after completing this question. Write the equation of a line for the given gradient and given point. Suppose this is my part A, B, C, and D. Let's start writing. You can put the video on pause if you want to try out yourself first. Otherwise, I'm writing, because if I will stay, the length of the video will get longer. Okay, so form is given to you here. You can see here y is equals to mx plus c. So this is gradient which is given here, and y-intercept c is given here. So when I'm writing the equation of the line which has gradient 2 and y-intercept 3, how will I write it? Y is equals to 2x plus 3. Right? If I see the second case, part B, gradient is 2, y-intercept is minus 5. So it will be y is equals to 2x minus 5. If I see the last case, C case, gradient is 0 and y-intercept is 2. So I can write y is equals to 0 multiplied by x plus 2. But 0 multiplied by anything is 0. So I will write the equation as y is equals to 2. I will not mention this, okay? And what does it remind you? What type of line is this? Very good. It is the horizontal line. So what did you notice here? One more thing. Oh my God. It means horizontal line has gradient 0. Wow, wow, wow. Another thing we have found out. Gradient. It's wonderful. So horizontal line has gradient 0. Now let's see this one, the last case. In the last case, the gradient is 4 and y-intercept is 0. So what it is? Y is equals to 4x plus 0. And we don't write 0 usually. So I will simply write it as this. So these are my equations of the line for the given gradient and y-intercept. Okay, so thank you very much for watching it. In the next video, we will... Okay, let's do your test of understanding here. Then I will end this video very quickly. Okay. Okay, so equation of line A is x is equals to 1, B, it is passing through 2 on the x-axis, x is equals to 2, C is also a vertical line passing through 4 on the x-axis, x is equals to 4, D is passing through 4 on the y-axis, y is equals to 4, E is a horizontal line passing through 2 on the y-axis. So these are the lines. Absolutely right. So now I will end this video, and in the next video we will go to the plotting of the points on the to make the line. So thank you very much for watching the video. Don't forget to press like and subscribe button and share it with your friends. Take care. Allah Hafiz.